Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a restaurant. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about restaurant manners. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What should you do with your napkin when you leave the table? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Ellie, over here.
Hi, Sam. Sorry, am I late?
No, not at all. I just got here too. You look really nice tonight.
Thank you. I tried to dress up a little because this restaurant looks so fancy, but honestly, I am really nervous right now.
Nervous? Why are you nervous?
Well, I have never been to a restaurant like this before. I usually just go to casual places, I eat burgers and pizza. I don't know anything about restaurant manners.
Oh, I see. So you are worried about making mistakes.
Yes, exactly. What if I use the wrong fork? What if I say something strange to the waiter? I don't want to look silly.
Ellie, relax. Restaurant manners are not as difficult as you think. Honestly, if you know a few simple rules, you will be totally fine.
Really? Just a few simple rules? That is it?
That is it, I promise. And I will be right here with you, so I can help you if you need it.
Okay, that makes me feel a little better. So will you teach me the basics as we go?
Of course, we will learn together, step by step. It will be fun, I promise. Are you ready to go inside?
I think so. Let's do this.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Table for two, please?
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. It is under Sam.
Let me check that for you. Yes, I found it. A table for two at 7 o'clock. Is that right?
Yes, that is right. Thank you.
Wonderful. Please follow me. I will show you to your table.
Thank you very much.
Here is your table. Please have a seat. I will bring the menus in just a moment.
This is a lovely table. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Can I get you anything to drink while you look at the menu?
Could we just have some water for now, please?
Of course. I will be right back with your water.
Thank you so much. Sam, I did it. I talked to the waiter by myself. How was that?
You did really well. You said, "Table for two, please." That was very polite and very clear.
Thank you. That was actually easier than I expected. Okay, so now we are at the table. What should I do first?
Well, first, let's talk about how to sit. Try to sit up straight in your chair. You don't need to be stiff like a robot, but don't lean way back either.
Sit up straight, but stay relaxed. Got it. Is there anything else about sitting?
Yes, one more thing. Try to keep your elbows off the table while you're eating. You can put your hands on the table, but not your elbows.
No elbows on the table. Okay, I will remember that. Now, Sam, I have a question. What am I supposed to do with this napkin? It is so big and fancy.
Ah, good question. The napkin is actually very simple. Just pick it up, unfold it, and place it gently on your lap.
On my lap, like this?
Yes, just like that. Perfect. You put it there at the beginning of the meal, and it stays on your lap the whole time.
Okay, and what is it for? I mean, what do I use it for during the meal?
You use it to wipe your mouth gently. For example, before you take a sip of your drink, it is nice to wipe your mouth first. And if you spill something on yourself, you can use the napkin to lightly touch the area. But don't worry about cleaning the table. The staff will take care of that for you.
Oh, that is good to know. So I just need to worry about myself, and the staff will handle the rest. That makes me feel better.
Exactly. Oh, and one more question you might have. What if you need to leave the table for a moment, like to go to the bathroom?
Yes, I was actually going to ask that. What do I do with the napkin?
If you leave the table, put the napkin on your chair, not on the table. Putting it on the table means you were finished eating.
Oh, really? I did not know that. Chair means I will come back. Table means I'm done. That is easy to remember.
Exactly. See, you're already learning so much.
Here are your menus. Take your time. I will come back when you are ready to order.
Thank you. Actually, I think we are almost ready. Could we have just a couple more minutes?
Of course, no rush at all.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, we are ready. I would like the grilled chicken with salad, please.
Great choice. And would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Yes, I would like a glass of iced tea, please. And for my friend, he would like the mushroom pasta and a glass of orange juice.
So that is 1 grilled chicken with salad, 1 mushroom pasta, 1 iced tea, and 1 orange juice. Did I get everything right?
Yes, that is exactly right. Oh, and could we also have some bread for the table, please?
Of course. I will bring the bread and your drinks right away. Your meals will be ready in about 15 to 20 minutes.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Please enjoy your evening.
Ellie, that was really smooth. You ordered like you do this all the time.
Thank you. I was a little nervous, but saying I would like made it feel very natural and polite. Okay, the food is here now. It looks so delicious.
It really does. Now, before you start eating, let me tell you a few things about table manners during the meal.
Yes, please. I want to know the basics.
First, the fork and knife. Hold the fork in your left hand and the knife in your right hand. The fork should face down when you cut.
Fork in the left, knife in the right. Like this?
That is perfect. Now, use the knife to cut one small piece of food at a time. Then use the fork to eat it.
One piece at a time? So I should not cut everything first?
Right. At a nice restaurant, it looks better to cut and eat one piece at a time. It's a small thing, but people do notice it.
Okay, I understand. One piece at a time. What else should I know?
Try to eat quietly. Chew your food with your mouth closed, and try not to make loud sounds when you eat or drink.
Chew with my mouth closed and eat quietly. That sounds easy enough.
It is. And one more important thing. Do not talk when you have food in your mouth. If someone asks you a question while you are chewing, it's okay to wait a moment. Just finish chewing first and then answer. No one will mind waiting.
Got it. Finish chewing first, then talk. That is easy.
Exactly. Oh, and if you need something on the table, like the salt or the bread, do not reach across another person. Just say, "Could you pass me the salt, please?"
Oh, that is a good tip. I will remember that. Okay, let me try cutting this chicken now. How does this look?
That looks great. You're holding the fork and knife really well. Oh, wait, I think I just picked up the wrong fork. There's so many forks here. Which one should I use?
Don't worry, there's a really easy rule. Always start from the outside and move toward the plate. So the fork farthest from your plate is for the first course.
Start from the outside. Oh, that is actually very simple. I was so worried about the forks, but now it makes sense.
See? Nothing to worry about. And listen, even if you make a small mistake, it's completely fine. Nobody's watching you. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes, even me.
Really? That makes me feel so much better. I was worrying too much.
The most important thing is to relax and enjoy the food. That's what eating at a nice restaurant is all about.
You're right. Okay, let me enjoy this chicken. It smells amazing.
Let's eat.
Excuse me. We are finished with our meal. It was really wonderful. Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Let me get the bill for you right away.
Thank you.
Here is your bill. You can pay by cash or by credit card, whatever is easier for you.
I will pay by credit card, please. Here you go.
Thank you. I will take care of this for you right now. It will just take a moment.
No problem. Take your time. Oh, by the way, I have a quick question. Is the tip included in the bill?
No, the tip is not included, but tipping is completely up to you. There is no pressure at all.
I see. I know that tipping is different in every country. In some countries, like the United States, many people leave a tip. But in other countries, like Japan, people do not usually tip at all.
That is very true. It really depends on the country. Here, some guests choose to leave a little extra, maybe around 10 to 15%, but that is just an example. It is always your choice.
Thank you for explaining that. The food was delicious and the service was wonderful tonight. I would like to add a tip.
That is very kind of you. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Thank you for a wonderful evening.
Here is your receipt. Thank you for coming tonight. We hope to see you again soon. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night. Take care.
Sam, that was amazing. I had such a great time tonight.
I am so happy to hear that. You seem like a different person from the one who was nervous outside the restaurant 2 hours ago.
I know, right? I was so scared before we went in. I thought restaurant manners were going to be really hard, but actually, everything was much easier than I expected.
I told you, it is really just a few basic things.
You were right. I learned so many useful things tonight. I learned how to ask for a table when you arrive. I learned where to put the napkin and what it is used for. I learned how to order food politely. And I learned about forks, knives, and how to eat quietly.
And don't forget about the bill and tipping.
Oh, right. Can we have the bill, please? I will never forget that phrase now. And I also learned that tipping is different in every country. That was really interesting.
See? You learned all of that in just one dinner. You should feel proud of yourself.
I really do feel proud, and I feel so much more confident now. Honestly, I am not scared of nice restaurants anymore. I know what to do and what to say.
That is wonderful, Ellie. But do you want to know the most important thing I have learned about restaurant manners?
What is it?
The most important thing is to relax and have a good time. Manners are helpful, yes, but at the end of the day, eating out is about enjoying good food with good people. If you are relaxed, kind, and polite, everything else will come naturally.
Relax, be kind, and be polite. That is really great advice, Sam. I will remember that.
Good, that is the secret.
Well, can we come back here again sometime? I really loved this place. And next time, I want to try the mushroom pasta that you had.
The pasta was so good. Yes, let's definitely come back soon. And next time, you can do everything by yourself. You don't need my help anymore.
Well, I still want you to come with me. It is more fun to eat together, right?
That is very true. Food always tastes better when you eat with a friend.
Then it is a promise. We will come back soon. Thank you for tonight, Sam. You're the best.
Thank you too, Ellie. Tonight was really special. I had a wonderful time. Good night and get home safe.
Good night, Sam. See you soon. I already cannot wait for next time.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What should you do with your napkin when you leave the table? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.